Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create viral AI video hooks using Nano Banana and Veo3. And in this video, we will generate frames, turn them into a smooth AI video and make your content instantly eye-catching. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini and then just activate the Nano Banana feature by tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Now just think about your first frame. This will be the opening hook. If you don't have an idea yet, you can brainstorm concepts using AI tools like ChatGPT or even browse social media for inspirations. And on this tutorial, for example, I want to create a hook where an AI host transforms from a normal human into a lava human. So I will start with a realistic base image. So I will just type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then you can also describe the frame more details as you like, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Next we need the final transformation frame, the lava versions of our AI host, while keep this while keep the same background so the transitions looks natural. So I will just type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then just generate. And okay, like this. And next, just download both image to your device. Like this. And then now open Google Flow. And then create new projects. And then select frame to videos. Like this. And then just upload the two images we just generate. And okay, like this. Then add your video prompt. For example, I will type like this. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, your video is ready. I think this time the audio cannot generate, but the result it still looks good. The transitions it's still smooth. And next, if you want to make it even better, just open your favorite video editor and you can add a voiceover and then background music and sound effects for the transformations or even subtitles. This will make your video more engaging and professional. And okay, that's it. You just create a viral AI video hook using Nano Banana and Veo3. If this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.